Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video we're going to take a look at how Microsoft have managed to mess up Notepad. Yep, the old faithful app which we all know and love, Microsoft have basically ruined it in Windows 11. So let's go over to the computer, take a close look and see how we can actually go ahead and fix it. That's right, we're going to fix it. Okay, so we're here on our Windows 11 desktop, and just to give you an idea of how Notepad actually works now, if we click on a Notepad document, such as this one here, it wants to bring up basically anything I've ever done in Notepad previously, unless obviously I close a tab. So you can just close tabs, that's absolutely fine. But what happens is there is a cumulative effect. So if you open up this one, more junk from Microsoft.txt, then we open up the hardware monitor README, and then some details for Windows recall. We can see we've got all these tabs here. So if we now want to save this document, so File, Save, that's great. But if we do Save As, are we doing what we're doing? What we save in here? Or we can do Save All. So this is just basically adding another layer of complexity, and potentially could cause some embarrassment if you've got maybe a Notepad document open, which has got text in it that you don't want, and you accidentally send it to somebody. It's not a great look. So how can we actually fix this? So go over to the settings cog here, and in settings there's various things you can change, such as the app theme, so you can have it set to light, dark, or use the system settings. That's pretty standard stuff. You've got word wrap, which is quite handy to be on. This is the bit we want, so opening Notepad. So when you're opening files, you've got the option to open in a new tab, or if you want it the old school way, you can set it so it's open in a new window. That for me is much better. And also we've got the option here, so when Notepad actually starts up, what happens? Do we continue a previous session, or do we start a new session and discard unsaved changes? Now there is actually a benefit of continue previous session, because obviously it's going to save your work. So if you accidentally delete something, then it's kind of still going to be there to some extent, although I would strongly suggest that you have some sort of backup regime in place anyway. But for me, I think for simplicity and for basically just my own sanity, I'm going to choose the start new session and discard unsaved changes. There's other things you can do here, such as spell checking and autocorrect, which can be quite useful. But when you're done, you can just close that. And now if we open up a Notepad document, great, all of our information is there. But say for instance, we want to go to another document, we can open up this one and it's opening up in a new window. And we can open another one. So yeah, we've got loads of different windows, but at least now we know when we're actually saving or doing any editing, we know which document we're actually using and which one we're actually saving. So there you go, pretty straightforward way of making Notepad the way it should be. I personally prefer it the old school way, but maybe you like the new version with the tabs and saving your previous history. Let me know in the comment section what your preferences are, or if you use a different type of Notepad editing software, such as Notepad++, that type of thing. Let us know in the comments, be glad to hear it. So I think that's going to wrap this one up. If you've enjoyed the content, smash the like button. If you want to see more content like this, hit subscribe and the chime notification. And I think that's going to wrap this one up. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.